The industrial sweeper paddle is designed as a modular cleaning system that can be adapted to different production layouts. The standard sweeper configuration has a 10-foot long track and provides a maximum sweeping width of up to 8 feet. When additional cleaning distance is required, 10-foot extension sections can be added to the main sweeper track. Each sweeper can be equipped with up to 9 extension sections, allowing a total linear sweeping distance of up to approximately 100 feet, or about 30 meters. This modular design makes it possible to cover large production areas with a single sweeper system while keeping the layout simple and efficient. The dimensions shown here represent our standard configuration. However, the track length, sweeping width, mounting position, and overall layout can all be customized to fit the customer's machinery and production area. Every facility is different, so Duke Automachine designs each industrial sweeper paddle system around the customer's actual space, equipment, and cleaning requirements. One standard system. Multiple configurations. Custom built for your facility. Here we can see the main industrial sweeper paddle base connected to one extension section. This view helps show how the system can be expanded to provide a longer sweeping distance while maintaining a clean and efficient sweep path. There are two different types of extensions in this system. The first is the end sweep extension, which begins at the main sweeper base or track head and completes the final sweep section of the system. The second is the reach or distance extension, which consists of 10-foot modular sections added to increase the total sweep distance. In this example, the customer can see how the sweeper moves forward and backward along the extended track. The main track provides the initial sweep distance, and each added extension contributes an additional 112 inches, or approximately 10 feet, of sweep. With one extension installed, the total sweep distance shown here is approximately 16.8 feet. This example also shows the minimum end sweep extension, where the final sweep section finishes flush with the end of the sweeper path. This means the system is designed to clean all the way to the end of the extension, helping avoid missed material at the far end of the sweep area. As with all Duke Automachine systems, these extensions can be customized to meet the customer's specific cleaning needs, machine arrangement, and available space. Here we can see that the industrial sweeper paddle can be adapted to 3 different sweep heights: 12 inches, 9 inches, and 6 inches. This feature is very important because in many plants it can be difficult to enter underneath the machinery. Some machines have very limited ground clearance, while others provide more access. Because of that, a single fixed sweeper height is not always the best solution. That is why the sweeper paddle system is designed with multiple height options. The 12-inch height is available for installations where more clearance is possible and a higher sweep position is preferred. The 9-inch height provides a versatile middle option for many standard applications. The 6-inch height is ideal for tighter spaces and low clearance areas. This flexibility allows the sweeper to be adapted more easily to the customer's machinery, layout, and cleaning needs. Instead of forcing the plant to adapt to the sweeper is designed to adapt to the plant. This is another example of how Duke Automachine provides practical solutions for real production environments. Here there are 2 examples of sweep movements that can be configured as part of the cleaning cycle for a production facility. The first is the flush sweep. In this configuration, the sweeper travels all the way to the end of the programmed sweep distance, finishing flush with the end of the track. This type of movement is useful when the entire area needs to be cleaned from one end to the other, helping move all collected material completely out of the sweep zone. The second example is the position sweep. In this configuration, the sweeper does not need to travel the full length of the track every time. Instead, it can be programmed to move to a specific position, stop, and return according to the needs of the production process. This is especially useful when material tends to accumulate in specific areas, or when the sweeper must coordinate its movement with other sweepers, conveyors, or production equipment. Both sweep modes can be combined within the same automatic cleaning cycle. For example, a sweeper can perform a full flush sweep at one point in the cycle and later perform one or more position sweeps in specific areas. The cycle can be customized according to the customer's plant layout, material flow, equipment operation, and cleaning requirements. The goal is not simply to move the sweeper back and forth. The goal is to create the most efficient cleaning sequence for the entire production area. Duke Automachine designs each industrial sweeper paddle system around the real needs of the facility. Duke Automachine. Always innovating.